Making a recipe video song is such a peculiar blend of creativity and practicality, right? It's like you're not just cooking food, but cooking a vibe. People will watch and maybe sing along, and that's what makes it engaging. The first step is choosing a recipe that resonates. Don't pick something pretentious like duck confit, unless that's your niche. Go for pasta, tacos, or cookies. You know, stuff that makes someone hungry just hearing the name. Music comes next. This is crucial. The wrong song can ruin everything. You want something upbeat, playful, and ideally instrumental with easy transitions. If you're going for lyrics, keep them simple and catchy. Think, add the cheese, give it a squeeze. Pain point: timing. Syncing your cooking steps to the rhythm can feel like herding cats. Try breaking the song down into sections that match your prep steps. Verse for chopping, chorus for mixing, and bridge for baking. Editing is your lifeline. Hold up. Don't just film your hands like every other cooking video ever. Think slow pans over ingredients, dramatic egg cracks in slow-mo, or even a spinning cookie sheet. Visuals are everything. The more cinematic, the more shareable. Pro tip: lighting makes or breaks these videos. I don't care how delicious your brownies are. If they're in a dark kitchen, they'll look like mud pies. Use soft daylight if possible, or bounce light with reflectors for even brightness. Editing these videos is oddly satisfying. Add text overlays for ingredient amounts or sassy captions. Yes, that's a half cup of sugar. Live a little. The key is to make everything feel immediate and intentional. No one has time for fluff. Transitions are your hidden weapon. Throw in zoom-ins, swipe cuts, or even stop motion for pouring flour or melting chocolate. It's subtle, but gives viewers dopamine hits. Small details like this keep them watching till the end. So, what's the pain point here? Feeling like you need pro-level equipment? Honestly, you don't. A smartphone is plenty if you have decent natural light, an affordable mic, and some basic editing software like CapCut or iMovie. Another thing, test, then test again. Nothing kills the mood like fumbling with raw chicken on camera or realizing your batter somehow exploded in the oven. Prep each shot beforehand. In fact, pre-chop your chop scenes. No one will know. Engagement's secret: invite your audience to join in. What remix should I try next? Or would you substitute nut butter here or no? Stuff like this creates a two-way dialogue. Fans love being part of the process. Final touch: post it where people actually hang out. TikTok, Instagram Reels, Pinterest, you name it. YouTube is cool for long form, but bite-sized content crushes it in 2023. Bonus points if your video loops perfectly when it ends. And there it is, the recipe song video recipe, if you will. It's a bit of work up front, but if done right, it's the kind of content that can blow up overnight. And let me remind you, don't skimp on the cheese, literally or figuratively.